1 minute, take you to see the production process of QY spring. This is the spring appling. Windproof blinds, insect screen, motorized roller blinds. Manual blind series. Manual zebra blind series. The factory starts with raw materials. Whole rolls of stainless steel of different thicknesses. And after slitting, edging, winding, shearing, tail processing, and heat treatment, we got the stainless steel of the size we need. After our technical assembly, we got the stainless steel spring lifting system we see now. Our technology has obtained global patents. Our product is stable, simple to operate, quiet, has low friction, and is more durable. If you need this spring, please contact us directly. Thank you.